morning, children. I am your Wrinkle Miss, your computer teacher. Welcome you all in our computer class. Children, as you know, we are studying our chapter number 5, Introduction to Scratch Programming. And today we are going to learn a new topic of this chapter, which is changing the backdrop of the stage. Backdrop means background. We are going to learn today how can we change background of the stage. So let's start our study. Changing the backdrop of the stage. Dear kids, here backdrop means background of the stage. In Scratch, we can change background of the stage to make it very beautiful. For this, we can use new backdrop icon which is available on the Scratch editor window. Here on the screen, you can see one image is given and this is new backdrop icon. It has 4 options. Okay, we can create either our own backdrop or choose any backdrop from the available built-in options. It means we can paint or create our own background, or we can also choose already built-in backdrops in Scratch. Okay, Scratch has a library. From there we can add available backdrop of the stage. Scratch provides 4 different options to change the backdrop of the stage. First is choose backdrop from library. Second, paint new backdrop. Third, upload backdrop from file. And last one is new backdrop from camera. These 4 options are same as about adding a new sprite. Okay. We can also add a new sprite using these 4 options, and we can also change backdrop using these 4 options. These 4 options are same for both new sprite and adding a new backdrop. Okay, so now let's see practically how can we change the backdrop of the stage. So children, this is my computer screen, and today we are going to learn changing the backdrop of the stage in Scratch 2 Offline editor. So let's first start our Scratch editor window. For that, what is the first step? Yes, first click on start button. So click on it. Now choose all programs. Click on it. Now find Scratch 2. Yes, this is Scratch 2 and click on this. Now you can see this is our Scratch 2 Offline editor. Okay. Now let's maximize it using the maximize button. Click on it. Now you can see our Scratch 2 Offline editor full screen window. This is white part is called stage. Okay, and today we are going to learn how can we change this backdrop of the stage, means this white part background of the stage. We can use new backdrop option which is available here. For that, okay, it has 4 different options. Choose backdrop from library, paint new backdrop, next upload backdrop from file, and the last is new backdrop from camera. Using these 4 options, we can change our background of the stage. Okay, this white part we can cover and make it beautiful. Okay, so let's start with first is choose backdrop from library. We can choose ready-made backdrop from the Scratch 2 library. Click on it, it will open backdrop library. You can see on the screen this is backdrop library of Scratch. Now here all categories is selected, that's why all type of backgrounds are shown on the screen. Let's click on indoors, it will show us indoor backdrops. Click on city, it will show us city backdrops. Click on nature, it will show us nature backdrops. Now let's click on all, it will show us all the backdrop mixed together. Go down using scroll bar and see all the backdrops. Let's select any one. Yes, I want to select this party backdrop for my stage. So just click on it and click on the OK button at the right bottom corner of the window. So click on OK. Yes, now you can see our backdrop is applied on the stage and our stage is looking very beautiful. This is party backdrop. So this way you can select the backdrop from the Scratch library and apply it on the project. The second one is paint new backdrop. This option allows you to make your own backdrop. So just click on it. It will open paint editor window of the Scratch. This is canvas, and on canvas you can make your own backdrop. These are tools and these are colors. Let's draw one backdrop. For this I will select ellipse tool and come on this canvas and draw one ellipse. Now let's fill color. Let's select blue and fill with colors. I fill the color. Now you can see our backdrop of the stage will change and whatever we draw is applied to our stage and our backdrop is changed now. Okay, so this way you can paint your own backdrop that you want and apply it to the stage of the Scratch product. Now third one is upload backdrop from file. Just click on it. Now you can see it will open one window which is select files to upload by app:/scratch.swf. It will show us all the pictures are available in our computer storage. So from these all pictures you can select any one and can apply as a background of the stage. Select any one and click on open button at downside. Now wait for some time. Yes, you can see our selected picture applied as a background of our stage. So this way you can select any picture from your computer and applied as a background of the stage. Now last option is new backdrop from camera. Using this option you can take picture and apply that picture as a background. Just click on it. It will open camera which is connected with your computer. Here I don't have any web camera connected to my computer. That's why I cannot take picture. Okay, but if you have camera then you can take picture and apply that picture as a background of the stage. I click on save, but it will take a blank white picture because I don't have web camera. I am clicking on save. You can see blank white canvas is applied on our stage. Okay, so this way you can change the background or backdrop of the stage and make your project beautiful. For that you can use these four options. These four options are same as new sprite 4 options. Okay, you can change the backdrop of the stage like this and make your project beautiful. So this is all about how can we change our backdrop of the stage. So children, if you have computer or laptop at your home, then please make practice in Scratch 2 and make your own project by seeing these videos. And if you don't have computer or laptop, then don't worry, we will practice it when school will open. We will learn new topic in our next class. Till then, stay safe, learn well, goodbye, thank you.